Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve's Cut Page. This powerful section of DaVinci Resolve is specifically designed for speed, allowing you to assemble your projects incredibly quickly. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting, the Cut Page offers a streamlined workflow that helps you get your initial edits done in a fraction of the time. We'll go over its intuitive interface and discover how it can significantly boost your editing efficiency, making your creative process smoother and more enjoyable from the very beginning. Let's dive into some of the essential features that make the Cut Page so effective. You'll find the innovative dual timeline incredibly useful for precise trimming and arranging your clips with ease. The source tape mode allows you to review all your media as if it were one continuous tape, speeding up your selection process. Plus, smart editing tools, like the Smart Indicator, automatically handle ripple edits, saving you valuable time and ensuring your project stays perfectly synchronized. These features are designed to keep your focus on storytelling. Now, let's explore some practical techniques to make your editing even more efficient. The Fast Review feature is fantastic for quickly scrubbing through your footage at different speeds, helping you find those perfect moments without delay. Mastering the sync bin will allow you to effortlessly synchronize multi-camera clips, ensuring all your angles are perfectly aligned. Additionally, applying transitions and titles is a breeze with the dedicated inspectors, letting you add polish to your video in just a few clicks. These tools empower you to create professional-looking content faster. Finally, once your masterpiece is complete, exporting your project from the Cut Page is incredibly straightforward. The Quick Export option provides a rapid way to render your video for various platforms, getting your content out into the world without any fuss. You can also customize your export settings to meet specific requirements for different social media channels or professional deliverables. With just a few clicks, your project will be ready for sharing, ensuring your hard work reaches your audience efficiently and in high quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.